Your next question, the 12th question is, which of the following is a digestive organ? 12th question, which? Which of the following is a digestive? It's a digestive organ. And your options are A, head, B, stomach, C, lungs, and D, kidney. So your question is, which of the following is a digestive organ? Is kidney a digestive organ? The food that you eat, does it digest? No. Lungs? No. Your head? No. Your answer is option B, stomach. Stomach is a digestive organ. All right? The next question. Our muscles interact with something to allow movement. That's the 13th. Our muscles interact with dash to allow movement. To allow movement. What is it? Options are A, food, B, stomach, C, knee, and D, bones. Okay. Let's look at the answer. Our muscles interact with food? No. Our muscles interact with stomach to allow movement? No. Our muscles interact with knee? No. So the answer is option D. Our muscles interact with bones to allow movement. The answer is bones. Interact with bones to allow movement. The next question, the 14th question for you. Choose the odd one out. Choose the odd one out. And the options are A, kidney, B, lungs, C, stomach, and option D, ears. Here, we are asked to choose the odd one out. Now we have kidney, lung, stomach, and ears. Kidney, lung, stomach are internal organs. But here the odd one, only ears out, outside. So your answer is, the odd one is ears. Okay? The next one, we are going to do a bit of matching. Okay? Match these. 15th question is, let's do some matching. Match these. All right? A. We have A, I, B, ear. Then you have C, nose. And you have D, tongue. Okay. Then you have 1. 1, taste. 2, see. 3, hear. And 4, smell. Okay, let's do some matching. Eye, what do you do with the eye? With the eyes you see. Very good. Okay. With ear you hear. Nose you smell. And tongue, what do you do with your tongue? You taste. So with the tongue you taste. Now, let's put down what we have here. Now you have letter A, then you have B, then you have C, and then you have D. A, B, C, D. Now let's put the answers down here. A, 2, B, 3, 4, and 1. That's one answer. Another one. That is A. Second one, B, 2, 4, 1, 3, C, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last option, D option is 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's look at the answer what we have here and find out for ourselves which is the correct answer. First one, I, that is 2. Then you have ear, 3. Nose, 4. So now this is the right answer. Okay? This option A is our correct answer. Alright? And finally, let's take the last question. That is the 16th question. Which organ is responsible for walking? Which organ? Which organ is responsible for walking? Which organ is responsible for walking? A, fingers. Option B, legs. Option C, arms. And option D, shoulders. Okay. Which organ is responsible for walking? Fingers, arms, shoulders? No. Option B, legs. Your legs are responsible for walking. Now, shall we read all the answers once? Okay. 12th one. Which of the following is a digestive organ? Stomach is a digestive organ. Our muscles interact with bones to allow movement. Choose the odd one. Among these, kidney, lung, stomach, they are all internal organs. Ears, They are the odd one out. Now 15th one, matching. And we have to look at the options. Eye, you see. Number 2, ears, you hear. Number 3, nose, you smell. Number 4, and tongue, you taste. So first option is the correct one. And finally, the 16th question, which organ is responsible for walking? Our legs are responsible for walking.